Hi everyone, welcome back to Homemade by Jenny. Today I'll be showing you a quick Hong Kong style French toast recipe. Normally the bread they would use is the milk bread. However, this is the loaf of bread that my daughter got from her school. So now we're trying to use it up. And this is the best way to do it. We've got some eggs here, some butter, some peanut butter, condensed milk, and a loaf of bread. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna crack the egg into this little bowl here. So the Hong Kong style French toast does not require any milk in the batter. Basically, it's just an egg batter. So basically, you just need a couple eggs and you just have to mix it up. So all I'm gonna do is leave that there, grab a fork, and I'm just gonna beat up the egg here. And this is pretty much ready for dipping. Next, I'm just gonna cut up the loaf of bread. You can cut off the crust. Normally, the Hong Kong style restaurants, they don't really cut off the crust. You can, if you don't like the crust, you can cut it off. In this case, we're not gonna waste. Yeah, we're not gonna waste anything, so we're just gonna keep everything.
From the school church.
Yes, so we're just gonna leave everything.
Oh, it looks good. It looks like real toast. Daddy, I can looks like real toast.
Just cutting out the loaf here to make a couple sandwiches, and then we're gonna fill it up with peanut butter. There we go. Okay, let's fill this up with peanut butter. So I got a butter knife here.
I don't want peanut butter on any of my food.
Okay, I won't put peanut butter on yours. I'm gonna put peanut butter on this one. It's also a binder to hold the two pieces of bread together as well, actually.
I don't want peanut butter on any of my foods.
Okay. So this particular.
Mommy, you know I don't want I don't want this sandwich.
Okay, I'm just gonna put some here. So yeah, this one is a crunchy texture peanut butter that I've got. If you have a more smooth one that you prefer, you can definitely use a smooth one. That's no problem at all. But I'm just gonna have this one, so I'm just gonna use it. So that's all you really need. And then you stack the two together as a binder as well. So I'm just gonna spread this on. Just gonna grab a little bit more here on here. It just needs a little bit of the oil there too. Okay, so that, seal it up together.
Ooh, yummy, yummy, yum. Toasty, yummy, yum.
Okay. And all I'm gonna do is dip it in the batter. I'm also gonna set my frying pan here onto the stove, and then I'm adding some oil here for frying.
Do fry me and fantastic.
Just gonna get some oil in here for frying. Set on the pan, turn on the stove. That should be enough oil there we've got. I'm just gonna turn on the fan as well. While I do that, I'm just gonna see if I can spread one more.
Mommy, I wanna record now.
There you go. And
I cannot see her. I cannot see her face.
Make sure everything that you shoot is in the middle of the screen. Yeah. Whatever you want to look at and show in the video, you put in the middle of the screen, okay?
don't think there's enough eggs, so I'm actually just going to add an extra egg here because we've got some that is just plain that my daughter wants. So okay, eggs pretty much done. Just waiting for the oil to come to temperature. Then I'm just gonna dip it in simply. I'm just gonna use my hands. It's much easier because you want it to dip it everywhere, all the sides, especially the sides. Okay, so this point is pretty much done. So let's bring it to the stove here and add in the pan to fry. So right here is our pan with the oil, and it's come to temperature. There we go. I'm just going to add that in. It's cooking away. Shouldn't take more than just a few minutes to cook this. It should be pretty quick. Just egg. Just gonna check here. Nope, it's not quite golden yet, so I'll just leave it. Wait until it's a bit more golden. I'm gonna grab a plate ready. Okay, I'm just gonna check the other side here if it's crispy, and then I'm just gonna flip it nice and golden there. Nice, that's the color we want. And once the other side cooks, I'm gonna do all the sides too, just to dip it to make sure it's totally cooked. French toast is probably one of the easiest recipes just because it really literally takes no time at all. The prep work is literally just a couple minutes. You just get a couple of eggs, crack it into a shallow dish, something that you can dip the bread into. Same thing, if you have a loaf, you slice it up. If you have pre-sliced bread, then you really don't even have to prep that. So all in all, this particular French toast recipe is quick and easy. Now I'm just going to get all the other sides nice and golden. Just going to do each side for a few seconds here, just to get it all nice and golden. Go. See, you just want the golden color there, and that should be good enough. When you're dipping also, you don't want to leave the bread in the egg mixture, because once it soaks into the bread, it will get the bread soggy as well, and that's not the texture you're looking for. With the Hong Kong style toast, just want the egg on the outside, so just a quick dip and then remove, and then into the frying pan. As you can see, it's all nice and golden on all sides too. So now we're going to take this out, top it off with some butter and some condensed milk, and this is pretty much good to go. So I've got here a French toast. I'm going to add on just a tad of butter for it to melt, and then I'm also going to top this with some condensed milk. Ooh. There we go. That is our French toast. Let's cut in. I'll show you Once I cut into it, I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. That's our French toast. Ooh. Let's have a try. Mmm. Perfectly moist. Yum. Everyone, enjoy your French toast.